the concept is to have that board across the back support it. This will be a shelf for holding the sharpening tools, and then there'll be another board across the front here to actually set the saws on. Very similar to what this is, except with an additional shelf down below. To make that happen, I need to know just exactly how long that shelf and sidewall combination is, so that I can make the cross pieces the same length. The easiest way for me to do that is just stack them up and measure them. 18 1/4 with it held correctly. 18 1/4. So now I have to cut 2 pieces out of this 18 1/4 inches long. And using the same tape measure, I'll mark it out at 18 1/4. There, then just come from the other end and go 18 1/4 this way. Now, something I've learned to do is check the square of the cuts on the end before I truss it. Yep, that one's straight. So's this one. Good. A lot easier to check them before than find out later that you've cut them and there isn't enough wood now to make the correction. I like this Stanley. I like this Stanley miter saw. It does a nice job. The only thing I wish it had was the clamps. This works. But it would be a lot nicer with the original. This works, but it'd be a lot nicer with the original. That saw does an excellent job of cutting. 14 teeth per inch, really fine cut. Cut straight and square too. Didn't when I brought it home, but it does now. Okay, that's the front piece and the back piece. Now I just need top piece cut. Once again, 18 1/4. Using the same scale I did the measurement of the boards with. Now the miter saw goes back to its home. And I can get ready to glue this up. Before you do any gluing, it's always easier to set up your clamps. That way, you're not trying to scramble around while the glue's setting up, and get your clamps adjusted to the right size and find out that you don't have enough. Check square, make sure everything's up where it belongs. Yep. I'm ready to start gluing. I think the easiest one to work with is going to be the front one. Still good. Make sure everything's down snug. There. Now the top one. Square. Now the back and the bottom. Having the bench light enough to pick up and move out into the room is real handy. Okay, be done here in about 10 minutes. Quick check, make sure everything's straight and square. Okay, we're all good. I just have to let the glue set up. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.